Hello, everyone. We're about to start our webinar. Uh, Give me a couple of seconds to start. All right, let's get started. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our session where we're going to talk about the modern way to do the asset inventory in OT and IoT environment. And my name is Anton Shupulin, and I'm going to be your host today. And let's get started. I would like to start with the question why the asset inventory matters today. We all know that the digital transformation is reshaping OT environments, bringing both opportunities, risk. What used to be static, air-gapped systems with known assets are now more dynamic, interconnected networks with mixing, legacy and smart devices, IT, IoT integrations, cloud and remote access. This complexity increases risk and makes effective OT asset management more critical than ever. And now is the right time to focus on the proper asset management. So what's the value and the benefits of asset management and who benefits from it? First, visibility, knowing what assets you have and how they're used makes management far easier. Life cycle management supports smarter budgeting and upgrade planning. Cost control improves with accurate asset data. It's helping optimize utilization, reduce downtime, avoid unnecessary purchases. Risk reduction with understanding asset vulnerabilities. It helps address issues proactively, and faster incident response, of course, comes from having the right context to detect and resolve problem quickly. And security compliance is simplified because many regulations require asset inventory as a baseline. These benefits matter to key stakeholders like CAO, CISA, plant managers, all of whom rely on accurate asset data for driving informed decisions. And as I mentioned, asset inventory plays a key role in security compliance. It is a core requirement across many security regulations like NIST cybersecurity framework, NERC, critical infrastructure protection, NERC CIP, the IEC 62443, and others. All of these standards emphasize asset management as fundamental control, and this is why it's important for security to use. Now let's talk about how to approach asset inventory in OT environments. It's important to remember that OT is fundamentally different from IT. The priorities, constraints, hardware resources are not the same. OT systems are often more sensitive to external interactions, especially from security or asset management tools. And asset inventory as a foundation of OT cybersecurity faces several key challenges in OT environments. Traditional IT methods often fall short. In many OT environments, asset inventory is either missing or handled manually with little or no automation at all. Physical access can be limited, making data collection difficult. Standard AT tools often fail because they don't recognize industrial protocols or asset types. And worse, some data collection methods can be risky, potentially disrupting sensitive cyber physical systems. These challenges show why we need an OT, IoT specific approach to asset inventory. One that's protocol aware, non-intrusive, scalable for complex industrial and IoT environments. Now let's look at how Nozomi networks help address these challenges. Our platform is purpose-built to deliver best-in-class OT and IoT asset inventory designed specifically for unique needs of industrial environments, IoT environments. Let's look on the value Nozomi brings. Nozomi delivers really unparalleled asset inventory capabilities. We offer exceptional asset discovery using the broadest range of asset data collection methods on the market and sensor factors. Our advanced analysis engine processes this data to deliver deep insights and high-fidelity asset intelligence. And with rich visualization tools and flexible asset representation, we provide comprehensive, actionable visibility into your entire operational environment. Let's take a closer look at these capabilities in detail. Nozomi Network uses multi-method approach that I would group into main categories: passive collection, active collection, third-party integrations, and subscription-based feed. Let's start with passive collection. The core method here is the wired network sensors, our Guardian sensors. It's a non-invasive approach that monitor network traffic without disruption network operations. These sensors are available in wide range of formats: hardware appliances, virtual appliances, making them available, adaptable to any environment. And they enable deep packet inspection across hundreds of open and proprietary OT, IoT, and IT protocols, covering wide variety of manufacturers worldwide. And thanks to this board protocol support and flexible deployment options, passive collection enables reliable asset discovery in almost any OT and IoT environment safely and comprehensively. Another key passive collection method is new for our portfolio. We launched that last year. It's is a wireless network monitoring, which enabled by our Guardian Air sensor. This approach collects asset data from wireless communication, wireless asset data in OT IoT environments without disrupting ongoing operation. It can even detect the presence and location of rogue infrastructure. So not only the authorized device and unauthorized device as well. Guardian Air is the first wireless sensor purpose-built for OT and IoT. It covers broad wireless spectrum, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular, LoRaWAN, GPS, drones, and building automation protocols. Guardian Air extends the detection power of Nozomi platforms, gaining visibility into wireless assets that previously were only discovered after connecting the wired network. So it's additional visibility area. Moving on to this to the second group is active collection, specifically through host-based sensor. Nozomi offers two types of host-based sensor. The first is the arc endpoint sensor, cross-platform sensor designed for HMIs, OT workstations, servers. The second is a new ARC embedded sensor, purpose-built for OT devices such as PLCs and RTUs. This sensor actively collects endpoint data, including operating systems, firmware version, installed and running software and processes, user accounts, hardware inventory, including USB devices, performance metric, and security telemetry. Importantly, they do all of this without disrupting the stability of the host devices, making them ideal for sensitive OT environments. The next active collection method I would like to talk are the smart polling engine. It's our non-intrusive active polling method available on both ARC and Guardian sensor. It gathers additional device attributes that aren't visible through passive traffic network monitoring. The second, we use lightweight, the second is discovery, lightweight protocol-specific broadcasts, also from ARC and Guardian sensor, to trigger responses from devices on the network. This response provides identity information, helping to discover assets that may otherwise remain hidden. Smart polling and lightweight discovery techniques work together to safely and efficiently identify and enrich assets without disrupting network stability. This ensures more accurate profiling, improved risk management in OT and IoT environments. The third asset collection method is through third-party integrations. Here, Nozomi network collects and enriches asset data by seamlessly importing data from third-party application, external systems. We also support file import, bringing in asset data from multiple sources, project and configuration files, in different formats, including data that may be unavailable in other sources. These integrations and import capabilities available through both the Vantage and Guardian platforms extending visibility and control across broad asset landscape. These capabilities position Nozomi as a true single pane of glass for unified OT and IoT asset management. Oh, by the way, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them now. My colleagues who are also on the call will help me answer them. And last but not least is our unique subscription feeds, asset intelligence and threat intelligence, which enrich asset profiles with additional high-quality intelligence. Asset intelligence powered by Nozomi Networks Labs and AI-driven behavioral analysis of millions of assets we monitor globally enriches devices with unique attributes such as device images, descriptions, more accurate names, vendors' names, asset types, and such information as life cycle, status, and more. Like most of the information that cannot be get from other sources like life cycle, it only can be collected by our security team who monitors this kind of information publicly. And we also provide threat intelligence, which offers in-depth vulnerability description tied to specific assets, and including the severity and exploitability scores of the vulnerabilities, along with the indicators of compromise. But it's not the topic of this call today. We were focusing mostly on asset inventory. And with this wide range of collection method, Nozomi network captures rich asset telemetry across virtually any OT and IT environments. And collecting the data is just the beginning. The next step is asset analysis. The asset analysis turning raw telemetry into actionable insights. This is where our AI-powered capabilities come in. We apply advanced analytics for accurate asset identification, enrichment, classification, even in complex dynamic networks. Our platform also handles deduplication of multi-homed assets to ensure clean, reliable, accurate data. And beyond that, we use AI-driven approach for multi-factor risk scoring for assets at the asset level, facility, enterprise. And finally, we provide AI-powered remediation recommendations, helping our clients prioritize what to fix, where to start, and how to reduce risk effectively. And here is an example of how we calculate risk scores using multiple factors such as threat alerts, the asset criticality, operational impact, vulnerabilities, and existing security controls. Organization can customize this risk model by adjusting the weight of each factor, applying rules based on they use that with creating specific asset rules for unique environments, for unique asset criteria, ensuring the risk scoring aligns with their specific environment. So it can be customized. And this is our asset remediation capability designed to prioritize remediation steps. It helps security and operation leaders collaborate on key risk reduction steps such as patch management, closing communication gaps, hardware updates, and more. So in that way, ensuring remediation efforts are both targeted and effective for OT environments. All of these collection and analysis capabilities enable our users to gather rich OT and IoT asset data combined with advanced analytics. So like identification data, network, hardware, operational system, software, security data, lifecycle, custom fields customer can create themselves. This asset data empowers informed decision making across security, operation, compliance team. So rich data. And the third part of our the third pillar of our approach is comprehensive asset visibility with numerous of OT IoT asset data representation and visualization tools. Let me show them to you. The enhanced asset profiles, the complete asset dossier for understanding and protecting OT/IoT environments, the rich telemetry data, analytics, as I mentioned, it's all available in each asset profile. The consolidated asset overviews where user can get all key asset and vulnerability statistics, analytics in one place, available for vulnerabilities, asset itself, links, alerts as well, and it's an interactive dashboard where user can click and drill down to the assets in question and so on. Next visualization capabilities, of course, our interactive network graph, where users can gain visibility into all asset communications and detect anomalies without any problem. And also it's interactive. And recently we launched our new capability, which is called physical network mapping, where user can trace physical connection from assets, from devices in their network to network switches and to specific network switch ports, additional visualization capabilities for better asset inventory, for in incident response and forensics. Risk monitoring dashboard, as I said, we use a multi-factor AI-based risk calculation capability, which also later is available through the risk monitoring dashboards, such as comprehensive risk trends. It's an executive level risk dashboard that provides real-time monitoring for seeing changing risk over time. This capability enables organizations to hold facilities accountable, report investment outcomes to the board, ensure regulatory compliance. And also we have the industry benchmark, which allows to compare their risk trends to industry peers and similar asset environment, again providing valuable insights into effectiveness of their risk management strategies within the market. Next one is our powerful query language tool. It's very flexible asset data, which enables flexible asset data extraction and presentation for wide range of use cases, such as integrations, such as custom rule detection, and which is more important, for our custom dashboards and reports, where user can create their own views with specific elements, with built-in dashboards, with query-based dashboards, and they can create automated regular reporting for these dashboards to be available for the snapshot of the situation they have over time. And to close our session, I want to highlight the critical role asset inventory plays in effective risk management. We know that cyber risk is often defined as a function of the likelihood of threat exploiting a vulnerability and the resulting impact, and countermeasures reducing the likelihood. The more accurate your asset data, the more accurate your risk scoring, because for all these variables, for all these risk factors, asset inventory, data, accurate asset data plays crucial role. And finally, better asset inventory leads to in generally to better risk management. It supports every stage of the process, from risk identification, risk assessment, mitigation, continuous monitoring, making it is a foundational element of any effective cybersecurity strategy. So today I showed you how to build a robust asset inventory in OT and IoT environments with Nozomi networks. With our exceptional asset discovered capabilities, you can identify everything from highly active control systems to silent devices without missing a thing. Our advanced asset analysis delivers accurate noise-free asset data you can trust. And with our comprehensive visibility tool, you gain full access to detailed asset insights and analytics that support informed security decisions. And in this way, by leveraging this asset intelligence, you can detect anomalies, prioritize vulnerabilities, strengthen threat defenses, reduce risk, and ultimately enhance your operational resilience. To wrap up today's session, I'd like to invite you to take an action. If you are a Nozomi Vantage user, all these capabilities are live in your product today. Start using them now. If you're a Nozomi CMC user, reach out to your Nozomi account manager and ask to see full capabilities of Vantage platform, because Vantage has more of these capabilities for asset inventory. If you're not a Nozomi user yet, contact us via our demo form, request a trial, and get a snapshot of your current assets and risk. And if you are a Nozomi partner, email us at our partner email to learn how to showcase these asset inventory capabilities to your clients. And if you like our products and want to work with OT and IoT security market leader, check out our job openings and apply on our career page. And that's it for today. Thank you for attending today's session. I really appreciate your time and interest. Let's now check the Q&A. My colleagues are checking it now. And if we have an unanswered question, we reach out to you later. Thank you very much.